So I've recently learned that watermelon can be used in our hair. Yes, you heard me right. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've recently learned that watermelon can be used to grow stronger and longer hair. Stay tuned to hear how and why. So in the past, you've all seen me use rice water on my channel. If you didn't, I'll drop the link up in the iCard, so be sure to check that out. I've used black rice water and I've used the white one. Now, it is said that watermelon has more inositol, and inositol is the component in rice that makes rice water so good for our hair. So if watermelon has more, you already know what it is. Inositol is a molecule that has the ability to strengthen hair. Based on studies, watermelon is said to be more efficient than rice water. Who would have knew? So I'll be scooping out half of a watermelon, and all you need to do is blend because watermelon already has its own water. So now when you buy a watermelon and it's not sweet, girl, you know what to do. Now I'm straining the juice just to get rid of all the sediments because we don't want that in our hair.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
So I added conditioner to the watermelon juice to thicken it because I prefer it thick than it running down in my face. Now if you're gonna do it in your shower, you can just use an applicator bottle and just pour it all over your hair, then put on your steaming cap, and baby, you're good to go. But if you're like me and you're not doing it in the shower, then be sure to add some thickening agent to it. It does make your hair feels a little sticky. It smells good, of course, it's watermelon. But you ever use honey on your hair? That's kind of like the feeling that it gives you. So, but after you wash it out, your hair feels super soft and like for real, like detangling is a breeze. Like there's really nothing to detangle after you use this treatment. So be sure to try that. For this part, it's completely optional because it's supposed to use as a rinse, but I am going to sit for 30 minutes and I didn't want the juice to be running all over my face. So I am using a conditioner to thicken it. There are other products that you can use to thicken it, but I'm just using conditioner. Right here, I was just mixing to get the consistency that I like, which is thick, not runny.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
When I'm finished with the overall process, I'll be putting on a steam cap or a garbage bag, and then I'll be sitting for 30 minutes for it to steam, then I'll wash it out.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. Watermelon
is great to protect our hair and scalp, and this is because it's high in antioxidants.
Love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show.
Remember, our hair can be damaged from a lot of factors such as chlorinated water, heat, and pollutants. So this is why treating our hair with antioxidant is very good to protect our hair.
Show you how you can catch my vibe, and right away got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be hidden.
Compared to to rice, there's way more inositol in foods such as oats, avocados, tomatoes, lime, okra, onions, and these are all good for our hair.
Dancing day and night, get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got the system, my favorite things. You could be the power.
If you've got value from this video and you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, of course. And don't forget to turn that post notification bell on so you stay notified every time I upload a new video. You don't want to miss out. Until my next video, one love.
Begins. You could be the